Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Harborview. We are at the Harborview roundabout. If we turn left there, we go onto the Sir Florizel Glassbowl Boulevard, but we're going to go straight here and go into the Harborview area. We are going to look at the construction that's going on at the Harborview Plaza. Now the plaza is being rebuilt, and here you can see the drive-through to Burger King. Now this is new, just opened recently, and so there's now a Burger King in the Harborview Plaza. Now straight ahead on the left you see KFC. So this plaza it's still under construction, but this part of the plaza is finished. And you know, we have a formula. If you've been watching the channel, you'll know, to have a successful plaza in Jamaica. One, you need fast food restaurants, and this plaza has them. You have KFC, Burger King, Pizza Hut, Tasty. You have one or two other restaurants, and you need to build a plaza. That's number one. You need fast food. You need food restaurants. Number two, you need to build a plaza in a populated area. And Harborview is a huge community. It's one of the largest communities in Kingston. So it definitely is built in a populated area. And three, you need a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket. And this plaza has Shoppers Fair, which is the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. They actually are renovating their store now. So the supermarket has moved to a smaller store while the main store is being renovated. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on here. The car straight in front of us has stopped. The car to the right has stopped. Okay. So the plaza definitely has a large brand name supermarket. So this is a very successful plaza in Jamaica, especially in the city of Kingston. So we're going to go on the other side now and take a look at the other side of the plaza. They're actually changing the gates. This is a new gate. It's not finished yet, but it's still under construction. Alright, so to the left now, or straight ahead to the right, that is the Shoppers Fair supermarket. So that's the supermarket, that's the building that's under construction now. And on the left you can see they have renovated those stores. And straight ahead is another entrance to the plaza that they are working on. So there you can see on the left, some of the stores are still empty, some have been occupied, but these are, well, some might be still under construction, but this is definitely the renovated thing. Alright, so straight ahead they put in a wall and they put in a new gate. So this now is the Shoppers Fair. It still has a sign up, but the store is being renovated. And Shoppers Fair has done this with quite a few of their supermarkets. They're upgrading them. The sign is still up. So straight ahead now, that's another sign that says Shoppers Fair Supermarket. So the supermarket has been relocated to the new location until this location is finished. Okay, so straight ahead are some more stores. Now, behind those stores are the other store. When we drove in, the stores are behind these, so you can actually walk right through the plaza. It's just that we drove. So there is one of the entrances where you can just walk right through to the other side. And there are some more food stores on this side. So this is a new gate that was put in. So straight ahead now, that is the Harborview community. Actually, the community goes right around the plaza because the community is on the other side of the plaza as well. So we'll keep you guys updated as to the progress that's going on with the plaza. Alright, so we're back at the Harborview roundabout now. And when you leave the Norman Manley International Airport, this is actually the first plaza you get to. Harborview is the first community neighborhood, and this will be the first plaza. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.